The Serpentine belt. Okay. I'm trying to set the camera up, guys, so you guys can still see I'm back with the shut. Let's see, let me find that tool that I just had. I got a flashlight that's going dead on me right now, but you can see the tensioner right there. And what you want to do is you want to... The first one is already off. The first one snapped off. That's what you're looking at here, right here. It snapped off. I'm trying to figure out the cause of it snapping off. What you want to do is put that on there. You're going to go counterclockwise. That will go down, and that's releasing the tension. But I already did that one. So I'm back here at the second one. So I'm going to show you guys how I did that. Shown below. I put two 14 wrenches so I can push down, and I'm going to go from the back to unhook it from the, I believe, what is that, the water pump? And then, yeah, it's gonna be wrapped around. I'll show you guys the diagram. Let's get to it. As I push down, or maybe I don't even have to push down, I can kick down with my foot. I can kick down with my foot and take it off the back, but I'm not gonna do it. So what we have here is difficult problem. They say it's a two-man job, but you see here I'm by myself. So I'm finna locate it from the back on the last one and release the tension and just snap it off. So I think I got a way I can do this with my foot. But I'm trying to show you guys on camera so you guys can catch the reaction. You see what I'm talking about, right? Let me show you from the bottom. Yeah, the flashlight that's going dead on me. That's not good. The flashlight is going dead on me. I charged it. Guess I can charge it now. The lighting down here is not so good. So I'm not even gonna put you guys through that. Obviously, I'm working on the car at nighttime. But I'm gonna get you guys a better lighting from the bottom angle. Let me just sit the camera right there and try to do it. My camera lens break, guys. Hope you guys help me get another one. Push down, I'm gonna hook it off this last one, just trying to get a feel of the last one. Right there. Try to do it from the top. First off, my hood is not all the way popped all the way, so I don't have enough hood room. So I can locate that one to the bottom one. Okay, alright. And then I just release that tension. I might have a tool for that. Hold on. gotta have big enough arms to be able to reach it from right here. Yeah, right here. So once I locate it from the top, I push down and I take it off. There you go. Uh-oh. I see it's off, but I just need to. Is that all right? Bam, got the second one off, baby. Now let's absorb it. Still look good to me. I mean, nah, it's kind of like wear down, but this one got 3. My other one got 4. But I need to take this one off to put the first one back on. That was the whole reason why I had to take that one off. And now I can check and see how my pulleys are back there. See the noises it's making. Here, nothing. Check one.